everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to make a text fit in a cell in Google Sheets. So I'm working on my Google Sheets here, and I actually have a long note that I need to add, and you'll notice here that it's not fitting within the cell. You need to find the text wrapping tool. So highlight the column that you would like the text to fit within the column. My column B, I want everything in column B to fit. Now I'm going to navigate up to the right hand side of my toolbar to the line with the arrow and then the lines above the arrow. This is my text wrapping button. If I click on this, and then there's a wrap text icon with a little arrow, click on that, and voila, your text now is going to fit within the column. I hope this video helped you learn how to fit text within a Google Sheets column. If this video was helpful, like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our tech tips. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.